In this video, I'll show you how to install WordPress on your server in only a few clicks. Log into the CloudStick dashboard, choose the server where you wish to install WordPress, and then go to Accounts. Click Create Account, then WordPress from the available options. Enter the email address you want to receive your WordPress login information as well as your SFTP login information. Enter the web application name to identify the website, as well as the domain name and system user. To begin the installation, select the desired PHP version and stack, then WordPress site title, WordPress admin login, password, and admin email address. Normally, WordPress installation takes a few seconds, and once completed, you will receive an email containing SFTP and WordPress login information. If you want your website to operate with www, you may add it here by clicking Add www. Let us enable SSL for the WordPress installation. Select your web application, set the authorization method to HTTP, and then click only HTTPS. The SSL installation will take a few seconds to finish.